Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own whole house humidifier. You'll need a Mr. Atomizer head that comes in a box like that on Amazon. You either need a plastic bottle or plastic cup cut into a shape like this. Place your guard over the mister and attach it with black electrical tape. Done properly, it should create mist without splashing. I've got 4 of these mounted in a shallow tray in the bottom of my cold air return. I also have a float valve attached to a reverse osmosis water line to keep this thing full of water. When the furnace fan comes on, all that mist gets pulled into the house as humidity. Thanks for watching and good luck making your humidifier.